Hello everyone. Let me tell you now, an installation of our touch switch, and a description of the wiring. We touch the switch. This one has a zinc alloy frame. The panel and border are also integrated. If you install it, the first one is also to take power. I'm going to remove this shell here. We touch the switch to pick it up. They are also slide on. Gently push up to remove this shell. No need to pry. You can take it off with a slight push-up. Then, if you dismantle this panel, there are 2 screw holes at the bottom. This screw hole, we usually don't lock it before leaving the factory, because after locking it, if you come to the scene to install, to remove this screw, but we will match this screw, usually not locked, just like this gently. As soon as you button this panel, it will come out. After taking it out, you can see a circuit part inside it, including installing this piece. This touch switch here touches our big board lightly. There is also a big difference in the light touch of the aperture. It's our display board. The cable of our power supply is connected here, so if you install it here, we especially want to remind, if you hang it like this, because our zinc alloy itself is very heavy. If you hang like this, it's easy to tear this cable port here. So our manufacturer strongly recommends it. If it is installed on site, pull out the port. After taking it out, put it like this. Put this on after it's installed. Fasten this buckle and put it on. The installation method here, it's really the same as the previous 2 switches. It's okay to pack 86. This power switch, 86 packs. It's going down like this. This screw is located in this place. 86 packs are also okay. Then 4 corner fixing piles are also possible, according to one condition at the scene. Then wire. The switch wiring mentioned in the previous 2 issues is the same. 0 live wire powers this smart switch. A B communication line. L1 to L4 are the load output lines. The same is true for the power switch. We touch the switch the same. It can also be equipped with voice distribution gateway. The system can be used in conjunction with offline voice and so on. Then like this. If the screws are fixed, just plug this port in here. After plugging it tightly, fix it like this again. After fixing it like this, position the 2 screw holes of the screw. Take the power cover and buckle it. So it's a switch as a whole. It's already installed. Pay special attention to this touch switch. After taking it off, then don't hang the panel and display board. There's a border here there. It is best to pull out that port and install it. This decreases the failure rate.